What's up mga kapangs? Welcome back sa aking channel. Hello! Kumusta? Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please pakiclick ang subscribe button at bell notification para ma-notify ka every time mag-upload akong bagong videos. And please follow me sa aking social media accounts. In today's video, nabubulol ako. In today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ba hanapin ang ating present number, or hindi yung presento na kulungan guys, sa present number kung saan tayo saan ingay, present number kung saan tayo presento papasok kung tayo ay boboto ngayong Lunes, May 13, 2019. Okay, so without any further ado, let's go and watch this video. So dapat naka Google Chrome tayo guys. Then let's go to comelec.gov.ph. Scroll down, then Present Finder 2019 NLF. So maglo-load yan siya guys. So after niya maglo-load, diretso ka sa Web Present Finder. Ayan, input natin yung ating complete name, first name, middle name, last name, and yung province natin. Ayan, try natin yung name natin. Select the province, Davao del Sur, and then yung municipality, which is Davao City. And then ang CAPTCHA, then search. Actually yung CAPTCHA medyo matagal siya kasi kailangan natin i-verify if we are human or not. So maglalapas pa siya ng verification na images. Ayan, traffic lights daw, click lahat ng may traffic lights, nakikita ng mata, and then verify. So medyo mahina ang internet natin guys. Antayin na natin ma-verify siya, and then click natin ang search. After that, lalabas yung ating complete details, yung name, yung address, at saka yung present number kung saan tayo dapat pumasok para bumoto ngayong May 13. Ayan. Search again kung you need to search again for another name. Thank you. So ayan guys, sana natulungan kayo ng aking video kung paano hanapin ang present number nyo dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi ko din alam guys kung pwede ba siya overseas, so labas ng Pilipinas. I don't know kung applicable siya. If you know kung applicable ba siya or hindi, comment down below. And I hope this video finds you informative. English. At sana guys, huwag niyo kalimutan i-subscribe ang aking channel. And please don't forget to follow me sa aking social media accounts. And kita-kits sa aking next video. Bye guys, always love your family. Vote wisely and vote for me. Charot. Bye.